The best budgeting apps to take control of your money. Struggling to manage your money? You're not alone. A good budgeting app can make all the difference. And today, I'm going to show you the top picks that can help you stay on track with your finances. Welcome to the Millennial Financial Times, your go-to source for practical financial tips and strategies. Looking for the best budgeting apps? Here's what you need. First up is Mint, one of the most popular free budgeting apps. Mint pulls all your accounts into one place, tracks your spending, and helps you set budgets. It's perfect for getting a clear picture of your finances. Need more control? Check out YNAB, You Need a Budget. This app helps you plan every dollar and stay ahead of your expenses. It's a bit more hands-on, but if you want to be proactive with your money, YNAB is a game changer. For a simpler approach, try Pocket Guard. It shows you how much you have left to spend after bills and savings. No guesswork needed. It's straightforward and keeps you in control without the hassle. Ready to take control of your budget? Download one of these apps today and start mastering your money. Whether you need detailed planning or a simple overview, there's an app here for you. Take control of your finances. Today, thanks for watching. Check out millennialfinancialtimes.com for answers to all your pressing financial questions.